Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate honeycomb. To start off here, I have some Morde chocolate compound. You can use any chocolate you like. You can see I'm chopping the chocolate to fine bits. This is because it will make it easier to melt it in the oven and it won't have any lumps in it. After transferring it into a bowl, you can see I've got finely chopped white Morde chocolate compound. Now the next step is to add the chocolate into another bowl and melt it. After placing the bowl in the oven, set the temperature to 360 degrees and the timer for 2 minutes. But remember to take out the bowl every 30 seconds and mix it once so as to not burn it. After taking it out of the oven, I'm mixing it once to make sure there's no lumps in it. Remember to keep it for lesser intervals of time and lower temperature so you don't burn it. Now I'm going to put it back into the oven to melt it even more. After melting it for 30 seconds, you can see it's melted well. You can also see there are very few lumps, but if you mix it well, you will not have any lumps. Now I'm going to show you how to get colored chocolate without using candy oil colors. You can use any food color you want. I'm taking yellow. Take how much ever you require and start mixing. You can use liquid or gel food color also. Sometimes when you use too much food color, the chocolate tends to harden and not be soft. I'll tell you a hack on how to make it soft. It's very simple. Take any food oil and add in 1 to 2 drops in it. Make sure the chocolate isn't too hot when you add in the food color, then it will be perfect. Now you can see I've got a very nice colored chocolate without using any candy oil colors. Now take a clean bubble wrap and pour the melted chocolate onto it. With the help of a spatula or a popsicle stick, spread it around. Make sure you don't spread it too thin because then it might break. Now I'm going to tap it so that it fills in all the gaps. And I'm going to set it aside for half an hour at room temperature. Or if you're in a hurry, you can pop it into the refrigerator for 10 minutes. After taking it out of the refrigerator, you can see it's become hard. Now I'm going to remove it carefully. Guys, make sure you do it very slowly and gently. And also check if the chocolate is set properly, because if it isn't set properly, it might break. As you can see guys, I've got a nice honeycomb texture. If you want to use it for your cupcakes, you can break it into little pieces. Or you can put the whole thing onto the cake. There you go guys, chocolate honeycomb. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.